Alrighty guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at making some embroidery patterns with a pierce effect. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we do upload training videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now, yeah, this is the pierced function. Like I said, it's used for embroidery patterns mostly. I'm sure there's other purposes for it as well, but yeah. Otherwise, it can be sometimes quite tricky setting it up, as the function, in my opinion, is not too refined yet. The rhinestones has got a better approach, but maybe in the future they update this. So in any case, so what you want to do is you want to select your shape. It could be whatever shape. You can imagine if you want to embroider all the sides or something like that, then this will be a great one. Then what you want to do is with your shape selected, we go to effects, and then you want to navigate till we find pierce. Then from this, also once again, there's no auto update preview, so you have to kind of every time you make a change, you manually go there and go to preview. So right now it's set to 0.05 inches. So if we set preview, you can see you can hardly see the little pierce marks. So let's set the spacing. Let's start off with maybe about 1. So it's 0.1, should I say? Go preview. Yeah, we're not quite there yet. So let me try 0.3. Preview. Okay, now we can see we've got something going here. Just make sure all the points are on the corners, so it looks good. Like if these points are off, not on the corner, you can always start adjusting even smaller decibels here until you find something you like. And then once you click OK, then you yeah, we've got your pierced effect. Now if I zoom in here, you can see that at the moment the preview shows little X's. If I remember, when it cuts, it actually cuts it more on a plus, but it might have been updated by now. And then let's say you want to remove this effect, because unfortunately you cannot edit it after you've done it, but you can still remove it. So in order to do that, you have your shape selected. You want to go to object, and then you want to look for at the bottom here, remove effects. Sorry, my bad. Let's try that again. Object, remove effects, and then it has removed the effect for you. So if you didn't like the effect or the result you got from the effect, you can always just remove it. If you've actually clicked OK, and then just go effects again and pierce, and then you readjust or you find something you like. Otherwise, that is it on the pierce effect. If we head over to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a nice little search bar here if you want to isolate your search. Don't find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.